Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SignalRGB not detecting your devices. Let's begin. First, make sure that your SignalRGB is the latest version, and I want you to click over here on devices. You can scroll down and see if your device is showing up in here. If it's showing up, that means SignalRGB has detected those. But if not, you should keep in mind that some devices are still not added or compatible with the software itself. So you can try to click over here, like missing a device, and then send your request so they can work on it. Next, you can actually try to go to settings and then make sure that some of the most important features are actually enabled. So you can go to partner permissions, for example, and let's just say you are working on the fans. You can make sure that click on the drop down and always allowed. You can choose this option depending on how you would like your settings function. Now, lastly, you can try to run the Signal RGB software as the admin, and this mostly work for users out there. You can go to your start menu, type Signal RGB, right click, and run as the admin. Pretty much it. Most likely, it's just that the device is not yet added or not compatible to the software yet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.